Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
I want to show y'all this aftermath, man, of this project that I started. And it's a huge mess, but I think it's definitely worth it. Right now, I just changed all the spark plugs on this Ford Explorer. Jump into the fire hydrant real quick because it's extremely hot in New York, summertime weather, and I don't know, I sweat a lot. But spark plug and spark plug wire replacement. The reason why I'm doing this quick video is I just want to show you what 2 years of abusing spark plugs and spark plug wires look like. It could have been worse, and thank God I've changed it fast enough where it's not as bad. But the car was driving real sluggish. It was having a misfire, a noticeable misfire that you can hear when you turn the car on. The muffler was shaking, and it's all been happening in the last 6 months. So I bought all the parts to do a complete tune-up on it. And as I was driving today, I was pressing the gas on the highway, and it didn't want to go anywhere. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to do an oil change today. And I had the spark plugs and the wires, so I said, might as well just change the spark plugs and wires since they're right here. And I'm happy with the results. I'm going to show you what I found. Okay, so these are the old spark plug wires that I had. You know what's the funny thing? I probably have warranty on it from AutoZone, but I ended up buying brand new ones anyways. But these are all a bunch of different wires, which is one issue. So I wanted to replace all 8 of them. Out of all of them, only one of them actually broke, which was this one right here. So we ended up buying a brand new United Automotive set, right? And then I put Motorcraft spark plugs, the original spark plugs in. I should have grabbed a picture of the other ones, the new ones, but these are the passenger side, which is not that bad, but they are oily, right? And then I want to show you the driver's side, and the crazy thing about all of these is that they're all shot. There's nothing left on any of these, which is the whole left side. So I'm thinking I have a leak on the right side, the passenger side of the engine. The left side is completely worn, and the right side was not. I've been having this random misfire for a while, and here's the one wire that broke, but I've been having a random misfire since I had the car, honestly. So, all right, you can see the focuses. See, one is going with the extra tip, but it's all oily. Is the passenger side, and the dry tip, sorry, with no tip at all, is actually the passenger side. The reason why I made this video was just pretty much to show you guys what 2 years of spark plugs could do. I highly recommend doing a complete tune-up every 2 years. So it's about that time that it needed to get done anyways. It's probably been 2.5 years since I did it, so probably 6 months late. Definitely replace your spark plugs and spark plug wires. Every 2 years is my advice, y'all. So on to the next one. Lucas, I'm out, man. Too small auto. Just wanted to show you the new setup, right? Nice and clean, all right? And I'm about to put some zip ties and show you how it looks on that side, nice and clean, all right? And the other side, nice and clean, all 4. So right through the wheel well, guys. It's pretty easy. And now it's just cleanup time. Now let's just, that's how it turns on. And no shake. I can smell oil, guys. Smell gasoline. So smelling gas. So I gotta check something on this gas tank. I think the fuel filter is probably bad, but that's the next job. But minimum shake, it is shaking a little bit. So we want to get that down. I still gotta figure out what's going on.